All right, everybody, we're doing a lesson today on positional words. Those are words that show a position of an object. Words like up, down, next to, beside, inside, outside, between, those kind of words. So the she we're doing today is called Where's the Monster? So we're going to find the monster in this one. Let's see, let's look hard. There's the monster. All right. Is the monster over the desk or under the desk? Which do you think? Here's the monster. Is he over or under? He is under. Nice job. All right. Here's another one. This is a jar, and there's the monster. Is he inside the jar or outside of the jar? Inside or outside? Look carefully. He is inside. Nice. All right, let's look at this monster down here. Is he behind the tree or beside the tree? This one can be kind of tricky because you see how we don't see all of him? So he is not necessarily beside the tree, because if he were, he would be over a little further. I think he's behind the tree because half of his body is behind the tree. Okay, where is the monster in this one? Is he between the people or beside the people? Okay, this is a tricky one because he would be beside the person if there were only one person. But since there's two and he's in the middle, he is between them. All right, I want you to look at the slide that follows this and look at those words: up, down, beside, above, below, and think about putting maybe some stuffed animals in your house beside each other, maybe one below the other or above the other, just so you get used to the positional words. Thanks so much for learning with me today. Bye-bye.